So if I want to define any measuring instruments, first I need to define something called as least count. Least count nothing but the minimum value, the smallest value or the smallest. Yes, Nina, it's smallest measurement that can be taken. So also can be defined as the least count measuring instrument is the smallest and accurate measured quantity that can be resolved on the instrument. So it's some type of definition indeed. We can just understand by certain examples. Suppose if I take an example of normal meter ruler, a scale. Yes, Sudhanshu, I'm going for that. So if I'm taking a normal scale, just compare the smallest reading on the scale, we see that within 1 centimeter there are 10 divisions. So if I go for the smallest division, I can say it is nothing but 0.1 centimeter. So that can be even observed at this point. So this is your smallest reading, which we will have. Also, we can write it as 1 millimeter. So least count of a meter scale or meter rule is 1 millimeter. So basic idea. So since there was only one scale, so it was easy to calculate the least count. Also, we can have one more example. There's another centimeter scale. Now here we can see the smallest reading on it was nothing but 1 centimeter itself. It is not further subdivided. So we directly called the least count of the given scale as 1 centimeter. So it's not fixed that the least count should always be 0.1 centimeter or it should be always 1 centimeter. It will differ as per the instrument. So as the instrument differs, its scale will differ, and if the scale differs, then obviously its least count will also differ. Now the two examples which are already given, one is measuring minimum 1 millimeter, other is measuring minimum centimeter. But if I need to go still more further, more decimals, I have a new scale. So there is some instrument which I have made. You might have seen in your school laboratories or even in PACE. If you are not visited PACE, you are new to the system. Obviously, when the lockdown will get over, obviously you will get into the labs. You can see this device, this instrument, which is called as vernier caliper. Now there are certain numbers given. So first we will just define what all things are being stated on a vernier caliper. Yeah, just before going 2 to 3 people, Hasini, okay, what you missed exactly? Yeah, Hasini, you missed something. Can you hear me?
Yeah, sir, I want to note down it.
You want to note down it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you just leave some space. Once this slide is done, I will just go back to the previous one. Then in that time period, you can just note down. Is it okay?
Okay, sir, thank you.
Yeah. Yeah, Vansh, what is your doubt?
Actually, I was disconnected in between. Can you please explain again that?
Okay, I will just explain in this instrument. Don't worry. Okay, so now we will just see what all things are just specified on a vernier scale. Now, first labeled is your outside jaws. Now, the outside jaws which are being made over here. Now, you need to place the object within that. So, suppose if I have any sphere and I need to measure the diameter of that sphere. So, if I need to measure the diameter of that sphere, I'll just place that sphere within this. That is your first case. So outside jaws are nothing but can be used to get the diameter of some circular objects like a sphere, which I have just drawn over there. Second, we have some inside jaws. Now the inside jaws nothing but these one, which are being labeled as number 2. Now that will measure the internal diameter of the cylinders. So if you have any cylinders and if you want to measure the internal diameters, the blades of these jaws will actually touch the inner side of the cylinders. Next, the third one is your depth probe. It is at this point. Now depth probe is nothing but used to measure the depth of any circular, or you can say any concave or convex surfaces. You, for example, plate, it has a depression. So if you want to measure the depth, we can use this third depth probe. So first three are clear. Yeah, Vansh, what is the doubt?
Sir, I have a doubt. If a cylinder is closed by the circular side, then how we will measure the internal diameter?
These one.
So, sir,
These are
if
the
the
blades. These are the
sir,
blades.
sides
You
are
need to
closed, then how we will put into that inside jaws?
these one, na?
Yes.
But you need a hollow cylinder. Only then it will be able to measure the internal diameter. Na?
Sir, can you please explain the depth probe again?
Depth probe is nothing but to measure the depression. Suppose if there is a plate, okay, if you want to measure how deep it is, or else if you have some cylinders, okay, hollow cylinder, if you want to measure the depth of that hollow cylinder, nothing but that height, you can use your depth probe.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yeah. Is it clear? So we have outside jaws, we have inside jaws. So I will just try to make for inside jaws. We can have like this, some type of structure, you can say. This with the cylinder. Now I think so it will be bit easy to understand. So your inside jaws are being placed inside the cylinder, and the two sharp edges are actually touching the inner sides. Yeah, Ayush, you understood the diagram which you made. Ishinavya, is the diagram clear? Should I move further? Okay, fine. Next, fourth one, we have main scale. So this entire, it is a main scale. So you can see the calibration of that main scale is in centimeter. Next, again, okay, for depth also you can make such type of diagram. So if I have some cylindrical vessel, so see, using this we can measure how much deep it is. Yeah, Vansh. Okay, then next one. Fifth one is again your mean scale, but that calibration is in terms of inch. So one calibration is term of centimeter, so it is just written over there. One calibration is centimeter scale, one calibration is inch. So this mean strip is actually used as the mean scale. Next, your sixth one. Now see, the second end of the outside jaw is having certain scale on it. That scale again calibrated for centimeter, which is called as vernier scale. But again, the same scale is having the upper reading as well. So there are two possible cases they are given. So this is for reference in terms of inch scale. So vernier scale is calibrated in two forms. Main scale is also calibrated in two forms. And last, we have something called as retainer, this eighth one. Retainer, nothing but we need to just press this. Once you press this, this entire second end of the jaw is movable against the strip. It will move back and forth. Now this is required to fix the object. So if I want to fix this spear, obviously I will press this 8, then I will pull it back, I will place the object, then I will press it again and release the 8. Once you release, it gets locked. So you can say it is called as a retainer. It retains the object in that slot. So is the construction of the entire vernier caliper clear? So actually in this, we have two scales. One is vernier scale and one is your mean scale. Yes, Sudhanshu? Sudhanshu, you can hear me?
Yeah, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, but in some vernier calipers, they're tightening screw instead of retainer. So,
Yeah, even that would be okay. So there are various forms on vernier scale. So in that case, you need to just roll it, and once the object is fixed, you can tighten it so that it retains it. Okay.
okay.
And even some of the scales will have only centimeter scale, so it varies. Not a problem. Yeah, Adya, what is the doubt?
So, can you explain the retainer again?
Retainer is actually used to hold the object. So suppose is such type of vernier caliper you come across, you need to just press this retainer. Once you press this retainer, it will be able to slide this jaw back and forth. So if I want to fix this spear, I need to press this retainer, place the sample, and then just move the second end to the left hand side so that it tightens the object. And then you can release the retainer. Once you release the retainer, it gets locked. Is it clear, Adya? Is it clear this much? Okay. So I'm just showing the first slide once. Those who want quickly in 1 minute, I need to just move ahead. Yes, Sahil.
Sir,
Hmm.
sir, so vernier scale shows the diameter, no, sir, of the object?
Vernier scale, yeah, you can say it measures the diameter.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, those who want to copy or those who want to just take the screenshot of it. Okay, fine. And even the second slide, those who want the picture and the main point, just click a pic of it. Should I move further? Okay. Okay, fine. Jaini, fast. No, Arushi, I just started with least count today. Okay, so why we actually need this vernier scale is now main scale, the minimum division is 1 millimeter. So if we have only the main strip, we can measure the distance up till 1 millimeter minimum. But when we talk about this vernier scale, it actually has 10 divisions, which actually means your 1 millimeter is further divided into 10 divisions. Means it is not only 1 millimeter which will be the minimum value, it is further divided into 10. So the vernier scale is actually providing more divisions, more lower divisions, more least divisions. So if I want to calculate the least count of such a device, we have a simple formula. That least count is called as the smallest division on main scale to number of divisions on vernier scale. So this is a formula to calculate the least count. What is the minimum value? And from the diagram, if I have this, now the smallest division on the main scale is 1 millimeter. If I just refer to this value, so this is the minimum value. So this is the minimum value on the main scale, because after 0 it will be 1 millimeter, then 2 millimeter, 3 millimeter, it goes on. And on the vernier scale we have 10 divisions. So for the vernier scale which I have shown you right now, the vernier caliper which is being displayed right now, it has 10 divisions on vernier scale. So the least count for this example will become 0.1 millimeter, or if we convert into centimeter, that will be 0.01. Means the minimum value which a vernier scale can calculate is 0.1 millimeter. First slide I showed for a meter scale. The meter scale, the smallest reading was 1 millimeter, which was 0.1 centimeter. Vernier caliper had 10 divisions more in 1 millimeter. Means the smallest value which will be measured by using this instrument is 0.01 centimeter. So that is your least count for a device. So you can say this value. Is this much clear? Yeah, the count of the vernier scale can vary. It can have 20 divisions, 30 divisions, and so on. Okay, fine. Yeah, Arav, what you are exactly asking?
Sir, on the vernier scale between two markings, there is 0.9 millimeter gap, no?
Between?
Two markings.
Yeah, you can say it is 0.9.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. Okay, so we'll just go for one example to how to calculate the reading. So suppose if I use the same vernier instrument which is shown, and in case I suppose I placed some sphere between that. Suppose I place this sphere. So if I want to calculate the diameter of this red ball, a metallic ball, now how to calculate? So first we need to go something called as main scale reading. If it is main scale reading, then is it 0.9 centimeter on the main scale? Is it 0.9 centimeter on the main scale? Yeah, Vidit, what is the answer?
Sir, it isn't 0.9, it's more than 0.9.
Acha, so for you, what you say, what should be the answer then?
I don't know, sir. I don't know how to read a vernier caliper.
Okay, fine. So whenever I talk about main scale reading, it is always the division which can be seen on the main scale. But for that, your zero of the vernier scale should coincide. Means the actual reading is nothing but at this point. Means the value 0.9 is incorrect. So you never see where the jaw is coinciding. The main scale reading is always where the zero vernier scale is coinciding with the main scale. So if I see it is lying between two, it is lying between 1.1 and it is lying between 1.2. So whenever you take the main scale value, it is always the lowest value. So the lowest value, if I just check, so that will be equal to 1.1 centimeter. So this is your mean scale reading. So is first part clear? Any doubt? So whenever we calculate the main scale reading, you need to just check where the zero of vernier scale is coinciding with the main scale. Yeah, Vansh?
Sir, the 0 is between 1.1 and 1.2. So, sir, why have you taken 1.1?
Because I need to take the least value. Later on, I am going to divide that 1.1 and 1.2 into 10 divisions.
But
That is
sir,
through
then
vernier scale.
we will not get accurate value.
You will get accurate value. Hence the vernier scale is there. So you will get accurate value between two decimals. So right now the reading which is shown, it is 1 decimal, right? Because main
Yes.
scale minimum value is in millimeter. But
Yes, sir.
vernier scale is actually dividing that millimeter into 10 further divisions. Okay, so something is going to get added after 1.1.
Yes, sir.
So if I take 1.2 and then add, will it be correct?
No.
Because it will go more than 1.2.
Yes, sir.
And our value lies between 1.1 and 1.2. So which value should be taken?
1.1.
1.1. So understood why we take the lower value?
Yes, sir.
Because the
Thank you.
next decimal place we will be getting from the vernier scale. Okay,
Yes.
so we start with the least value.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, Ayush, you understood the same confusion even Vansh had, the same explanation I gave. Because if I take 1.2 and if I further divide it into the second decimal place, I will get answer more than 1.2. But my answer is lying between 1.1 and 1.2. It might be 1.12, 1.13, 1.14. So to get that second decimal place, I will be using my vernier scale. So is main scale reading clear? Any doubt how to calculate? I'm again repeating it. 0 of the vernier scale should coincide with the main scale. If it is lying between two, you always take the previous, the lowest value. The ICSE students, you have the first chapter, you get numericals from this chapter. So please carefully just understand it. Okay, the next part. After main scale reading, I should move on with something called as vernier scale division. So to get vernier scale reading or to get the second decimal place, the method is there will be one division on vernier scale which is exactly coinciding with the main scale. Just check. There is some division on vernier scale. So see this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are the divisions on vernier scale. That line should exactly coincide with the vernier main scale. So I can just check over here. The first value which is exactly coinciding is nothing but, yeah, most of them have told it is just 6. The first value which is coinciding. Yeah, after that 7 is also there. But if you carefully see, 7 is bit ahead before. So you need to take the first value which is coinciding, the first value. Even 6.5 is there, 7 is there, but first value was 6. So the vernier scale division will become 6. Once you get vernier scale division, you calculate something called as vernier scale reading. Now this division is exactly coinciding. So I will just multiply this with least count, because the minimum value of the device was 0.01. So once I multiply, I get a value called as 0.06. So I got the second decimal place. That is called as vernier scale reading. That is 6 into least count. Vernier scale division into least count. Now the final reading, nothing but the diameter, will be equal to, now we know that your main scale reading and we know your vernier scale reading. We just need to add there to get your final answer. So that will be equal to, your main scale reading is 1.1. Your vernier scale reading is 0.06. You get the final answer as 1.16 centimeter. So if I would have taken main scale as 1.2, then the answer would have been 1.26, which is more than your lying value. So that will be completely incorrect. Yeah, Arnav, we are multiplying by 0.01 because that is the divisions what your 1 mm was divided. And we were just checking that which division was coinciding. So within that 1 mm, your 6th division was coinciding. So it was multiplied by the least count, the minimum value. Yeah, Rigved.
Yes, sir. I have a doubt from the vernier scale division, sir. Why did we take 6 as our division?
See, because your that 1 millimeter scale
Yes, sir.
was actually divided further into 10 divisions. Division, your value is line. So we just identify the coinciding value. So out of your vernier scale, one of the value will be exactly coinciding with the main scale to tell you that this is the division which the minimum value is lying. So if the 6th division is coinciding, that means 6 is the minimum value after millimeter. So further that 6 is multiplied by the minimum value, and that minimum value was your least count.
Yes, sir.
Then we got vernier scale reading, the second decimal. And once you add, you get the total reading.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. Yeah, VSD is vernier scale division. It's the same. I just written in full form. VCD also you can write vernier scale coinciding division. Yeah, Arav, I'm going to come to it. Don't worry. So is this question clear? Any doubt? Should I move further? Yes, Omil.
Sir, how can we take the measurement in terms of inches?
In terms of inches, if there was an upper scale, then the same method which we have used for centimeter scale will be applied for your inches scale. The same process, nothing is going to change. Yes, Omil.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. Yes, same thing I explained. If it is vernier, then you will get the upper scale. So you need to just compare the upper scale that time. And for the depth also, the measurement is same, because you have only 2 scales to compare. It is not going to change. So depth, inner jaw, outer jaw, all the 3 processes can be done using the 2 scales, and the method to calculate using the 2 scales that I have just shown. So this is one way of calculating the least count. There is one more way. So is this much clear? If anyone want, you can take the pick of it. No, you can just go up till 2 decimal places, not 3 and 4. Arpit. For 3 decimal, there will be another device. Should I proceed? Okay. Yes, Sahil.
Yes, sir. Sir, we can see on the vernier scale centimeter. So there are further divisions between 0, 1, 1, 2, and 3, 4.
Where?
Sir, between the numbers, sir, on the vernier scale centimeter scale.
Acha, this one you're talking about?
Yes, sir.
This one?
Yes, sir.
Ah, this is 0.5, 1, 1.52, 2.53, that way.
Okay, sir.
You'll get various types of it.
Yes.
Yeah. Yes, Sarvesh, you're correct. Yeah, Arav, you're also right. I'll just move further for the next part. So now we have one more formula. Now this is also a formula of calculating the least count. Now that I will explain how you need to calculate using some numericals. Yeah, Vatsal, what doubt? Vatsal, I'm not able to. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Sir, in the step up, it's told that the vernier scale which is sliding, it has 0.9 reading on it, 0.9 length.
So
But
it
you
is
told-
0 to 9 calibrated, na? To minimum value. That only one of you have asked earlier. That
Okay,
1
sir.
millimeter is further divided into how much? So that is smallest value of 0.9 millimeter.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. Yeah, Vansh.
So 1 VHD is equal to 0.9 millimeter.
Yeah, correct.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay, so this is also the formula of least count. Now, what is MSD and VSD? That I will just let you know by a numerical. So everyone be ready with your notebooks, one pen, so that you can just calculate certain things. So the question states that the vernier scale division of a scale is divided into 30 divisions such that it coincides with 29 main scale divisions. I will just focus for the first line. Don't read the second statement. Just focus on the first statement. I told you the least count won't be same for all the devices. It depends instrument by instrument and the thing which you're going to measure. So don't rely that every vernier scale will have the same least count. It depends on cases to cases. It depends on the instrument. So this is your different case. So here they are given that the vernier scale division of a scale is divided into 30 divisions such that it coincides with 29 main scale divisions. Yes, Sudhanshu, you are correct. That means if I just convert that line in mathematical form, I will get some relation. Also, the second statement states that each main scale division is half degree. So here they are actually measuring something degree, some angle. So main scale division. So this vernier scale is used to measure some angles, some angular forms. So first of all, if I want to just convert, there is a mathematical relation that your 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes. In mathematics, you study when you study different angles, angle measurements in degrees. So it is called as some sexagesimal form. in which your angle is measured in terms of degree, minute, and seconds. So simple example, if I say it is 1.5 degree, I can write 1.5 degree as 1 degree. And the remaining 0.5 point, I can convert it into minutes by multiplying it by 60. This way. So that your final answer will come to around something like 1 degree, comma, and 0.5 into 60 is nothing but 30 minutes. So this is your form. This is called as something sexagesimal form of angles in angular measurements. So same way here also, that 1 degree is nothing but 60 minutes. So first, if I go, they has clearly specified that your main scale division is half a degree. If your main scale division is half a degree, means can I directly say my MSD is half a degree, means 0.5 degree, which will be called as 30 minutes. Is the first line clear? Main scale division. So word indicates MSD is half degree, 0.5 degree to 0.5 into 60, that is 30 minutes. Then they are given some condition, and that condition states that the vernier scale is divided into 30 divisions. So means I have some 30 vernier scale divisions. Then they have used a word called as coincides. If coincides, means that will be equal to your next divisions, that is nothing but 29 main scale. So this is the relation, mathematical. So 30 divisions on vernier scale, that is your 30 VSD. Coincides means equal to 29 main scale divisions. So is this equation clear? I just converted the first statement in the equation form. If I further simplify this, I can just get a relation between one vernier scale division will be 29 by 30 main scale division. Because 30 will go on the other side, it will get divided. So I have MSD value as 30 minutes. If I just substitute, I will get answer as 29 minutes. So I got MSD and VSD. So this tells us that the smallest reading on main scale is 30 minutes and smallest reading on vernier scale is 29 minutes. So if I use the least count formula which is specified, that is MSD minus VSD, you will get answer as 1 minute. Same, some of you had asked me the doubt that in the last vernier diagram, as the textbook specifies, the school textbooks, that it is given 0.9 millimeter on the vernier scale. So main scale it is 1 millimeter, vernier scale it was 0.9 millimeter. If you take the difference as per this formula, you will get the same answer. So as per your textbooks, 1 millimeter, 0.9 millimeter. If I take the difference, I will get 0.9 millimeter as the answer. So this is given in your school textbooks. For the diagram which was shown earlier. Okay. Okay, who has a doubt? Arham. Yeah, Arham, what is the doubt?
Sir, I'm not understanding the solution after VSD equals to 29 by 30 MSD. After that, I'm not understanding.
This one, I substituted MSD value. In the first step, you got as 30, na?
Oh.
So MSD is substituted as 30. And this was actually typed again.
Okay, sir.
So don't get confused on that. Then you can say 30 got cancelled. Your answer got as 29 minutes.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. Yeah, Shreyas.
Sir, so we can also give the least count in minutes.
Yeah.
Sir, so don't we need to specify it in millimeter or?
No. See, I said no, it differs. So this type of vernier scale, which they are shown in the diagram question, they are actually measuring the angle.
Okay,
See,
sir.
vernier scale can be used anywhere. So there are different type of scales which can be measured.
So it is not
No, so
compulsory.
in this case, it is measuring angle.
Okay, sir.
Okay, it differs
Understood.
case to case. No, Aditi, this is the final answer. The answer never is in millimeter or meter fixed. It depends what your question states. If the question is angle, answer will be in terms of angle. If the question is in terms of length, answer will be in length. Yeah, Arushi?
So which angle?
Yeah,
Which angle is it measuring?
any angle, only any 2D planar angles you can say. Two-dimensional angles, 1 degree, 2 degree, like way.
By using the jaws?
Yeah, using the jaws. But that type of vernier caliper is different. That is not which I showed in the diagram.
Okay. Okay, thank you, sir.
Yeah. Yeah, Vansh.
Sir, the least count is
No,
1.
just a minute, Vansh. No, Anshika, it's okay even if you keep the answer in minute. Final answer. Yeah, Tista, just a minute. Yeah, Vansh, bolo.
Sir, the least count is 1 minute or 0.1 mm.
0.1. No, the blue one which I highlighted over here, na? This was for the last diagram which I had made, which was measuring the length, diameter. And this formula is given in your school books, 9th ICSC, in which they are told that the smallest reading on vernier scale is your 0.9.
Sir, is it given in CBSE textbooks?
No, CBSE book, you don't have chapter measurements, no? You have first chapter as motions directly. So don't worry. So whatever part you're missing, you're getting it over here. Don't worry. So just don't refer the part which I just written over here. It was just for them who had confusion in the textbook. Yeah. Yeah, Tista. Tista, you have any doubt?
No, sir, I don't have a doubt. I was just asking you to show the last page for the formula once.
Okay. Yeah, Vansh. Okay, not you. Okay. Yeah, Vansh.
Sir, I am not getting how VHD is equal to 0.9 mm.
0.9 mm. Because your 1 mm was divided into 10 divisions. No? If your 1 mm is divided into 10 divisions, so what is the smallest division on it? That we are calculating.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay, so should I give you the next question? Yeah, Tista, you need last slide. I'm just quickly showing you, just take a pic of it. This is the formula. Quickly. Yeah, Sahil.
Sir, coinciding meaning it is totally covering, no, sir?
Yeah, total
Vernier,
covering.
vernier
Yeah.
scale is covering that much of main scale, no, sir?
That division is exactly coinciding.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so should I give the next question? So I'm not going to I'm not help you out. You need to just calculate because there is no solution given. Since I have not typed the solution, it's for you all. Chalo, be quick enough to solve this. And let me know the final answer. One of you is going to explain me. Okay, Arav got the answer. Okay. Vidit Thakkar, okay, even you got the answer. Same answer it is. Okay, Prabhuta got 0.09. Okay. Vidit actually got 0.1 millimeter. Arav got 0.01 centimeter. Sarvesh 0.9 centimeter. Okay. Shruti 0.01. What centimeter? Okay, centimeter. Okay, so most of you are getting. Sudhanshu, how come it will be 0.11? Kindly check it, or whether you have typed it incorrectly. Okay, Vansh is getting 0.9. Rest are getting 0.01. Most of you are getting 0.01 centimeter. Maximum people are giving me this answer. Yes, Shreya, it's the same. Okay. Okay. Who's going to explain me this? Anyone? Okay, Arav. Yeah, Arav.
Sir, by using the formula, which is smallest scale on the main scale upon number of division on the Vernier scale, we can do like 0.1 upon 10. So it will be 0.01
You're
centimeter.
sure that will be all the time applicable?
Sir, this time it is applicable.
But is it all the time applicable?
I think so.
So if I change the question, 10 divisions of main scale matches 8 divisions on main scale. Instead of 9, if I write 8, will the answer be same?
No, sir.
Sure.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so that formula can I use by default in any case?
No, sir.
So which formula we need to be thorough with?
This one least count is equal to
Yes.
MSD minus.
Understood why I'm saying to apply this one? Because it can change as per the
Okay, sir.
question. Okay. So it's
Okay,
safe
sir.
to use this.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So, okay. So using this formula, can you help me out in writing the solution?
Main scale division is 0.1 centimeter.
Okay, okay. I'm parallelly writing it. Huh? Wait a minute. Okay, main scale division is how much?
0.1 centimeter.
0.1. Okay, centimeter. Then?
And sir, after that I don't know.
Then?
After that I don't know.
Achha, after that, no. Okay, okay, fine. Thank you. Not a problem.
Thank you.
Yeah, Sudhanshu.
Yes, after that we'll write where is that? Yeah, 10 VSD is equal to 9 MSD.
Okay, then?
So 1 VSD is equal to 9 by 10 MSD.
Okay. Then?
Yeah, so it will be 0.9. So
0.9 into 0.1, right?
yeah,
So that will be how much?
0.09.
Okay, 0.09.
Yeah.
Okay, then after that?
After that, I think so, done.
Least count. What will be least count then?
Wait, sir. Main scale division minus vernier scale division.
Okay, and that will be equal to?
0.1 minus 0.09. So that will be 0.81.
0.81?
Sorry. Where is that?
It's, yeah, you can.
0.01.
Sure?
Yeah.
I think it is 0.09.
No.
Yeah, you're correct. It's 0.01. So final answer, least count 0.01. Thank you, Sudhanshu.
Welcome.
Okay, so any doubt how you calculated? Anyone, any doubt? There are currently 98 people. So I hope all the 98 are getting it clear. Even a single person, if it is not able to understand, please let me know. Yeah, Vidit, what are you exactly asking?
Sir, so there is no unit after millimeter, no? So after millimeter, it directly be micrometer, just 10 raised to -6.
Yeah. Millimeter, after that we directly write micrometer.
So this will be 0.01, 0.001 like that only, no?
Millimeter, yes.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Okay, so Tista, third line. I'll just put you over here. Yeah, Tista, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So VSD line you're talking about?
Yes, sir.
So actually 10 will go on the other side, it will become 9 by 10.
Yes, I got that.
Then MSD value will substitute. So 9 by 10 is 0.9 and MSD value was 0.1. See in the first line we have written.
Okay, sir.
This was your MSD, which I just substituted here. Then
Yes,
0.9
sir.
into 0.1 became 0.09.
Okay, sir, got it.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, Asini. Yeah, Aditya, what is your doubt?
Sir, I did not understand how to do this question.
Okay, I just need to convert whatever the data is given into the mathematical form. And two things I need to find out to get the value of least count, that is something called as mean scale division and vernier scale division. Mean scale division means the smallest reading on mean scale. Vernier scale division means smallest reading on vernier scale. So as per the question, they are specified that the main scale has the smallest reading as 0.1 centimeter. See, just go through this line. Right?
Yes, sir.
So mean scale division became how much? 0.1?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then what is the next statement they say? The 10 divisions of vernier scale. See, this is 10 divisions of whom? Vernier scale. So I wrote 10 VSD. They match. Match means they are equal. And they're equal to what? They're equal to 9 divisions on main scale. So I wrote 9 MSD. Is this mathematical form clear, Aditya?
Yes, sir.
Then I need VSD value. So I will shift 10 on the other side. That will become 9 by 10. Then MSD I already know 0.1. So 9 by 10 is 0.9. MSD value is 0.1. I multiplied it. I got the answer of VSD. Then we just subtract it to get the final answer. Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Welcome. Yes, Rishta, we need to use this formula whenever they give us the relation between the vernier scale division and mean scale division. It's nothing but the second statement. This 10 divisions matches 9 division. So whenever you get such type of statement in the question, least count will be calculated using MSD minus VSD. Shrestha, is it clear? Whenever there is a relation given, only then you need to use the formula. Yeah, Arav?
Sir,
Haan.
sir, this vernier scale caliper, vernier caliper is not in our module, sir.
It is not in your module, I know.
Yes, sir. Last year it was because that is
Yeah,
why I'm asking.
actually the key game which you were playing, in that
Yes, sir.
you had that instruments, na?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, and the questions also which I am actually giving you all, it is bit of higher level.
Yes, sir. Sir, but in my game it is not showing me measurement, sir.
So I will help you out, don't worry. You have my contact number, right, Arav?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Don't worry, you just call me up once the lecture is done. I'll just help you out with the game, okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, so I am just showing you the next. Anshika, achha, you are not done with the last slide. Okay, I'll just show you once. I'll just clear all these things. Anshika, quickly, just go through this. Yeah, Vansh.
Sir, in the second question, I did that there was 0.1 centimeter, and in the vernier scale there was 10 centimeter also. So I did 0.1 by 10 centimeter.
So that actually, I even cleared that thing, that it is not possible all the time. If the same question would have written instead of 9 division as 8 divisions, answer would have changed. Least count would have changed. So all the time you cannot divide the 10 number of divisions and the minimum value. Is it clear? Yeah, Vansh?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so always whenever they give this relation, you have to compulsorily use this formula. Chalo now, Vansh, you just try the next one. I hope you will get the answer for that. And you are going to help me out with this. Chalo, Vansh, ball is in your court. You need to answer this. Oh, so Kushal got the answer. Okay. Arpit got the answer. Arav got the answer at 0.2 millimeter. Okay. Bhavin. Dhruv, it cannot be 4. Please check. Once I need in the decimal form. Okay. Aditi is saying 0.5. Prabuddha 0.25. Sudhanshu 2 millimeter. Sudhanshu, everyone is getting a 0.2 millimeter. Kindly cross check once. I can't say even that answer is correct, but cross check once. Okay. Arav, send me the answer once again. Acha, 0.2 millimeter same as 0.0. Acha, which key? Zero 0.02. Shreya even getting the same. Sudhanshu is getting answer. Acha. Okay, I understood. Means you need to specify it as 0.2 only. Karthik, just refresh once. Just refresh the screen. You will see the screen. Question is there on the screen. So Prashit is getting the same. Aditi millimeter. Okay, fine. You keep the answer in millimeter, not a problem. Arham. Okay. Okay, so who is going to explain? Okay, so let's give a chance to a girl now. Kushi. Okay. Kushi, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, chalo. I am going to parallelly write also. So just be slow. Yeah?
Okay, sir.
Okay, start.
Sir, MSD is equal to 1 millimeter.
Okay.
And it is given that 20 VSD is equal to 16 milli MSD.
So it is given that 20 is same as 16 MSD. Okay,
Yes.
then?
So VSD is equal to 16 by 20 MSD.
Okay.
Which is equal to, if we have to convert, so it will be 16 by 20 into 1 millimeter, which is equal to 0.8 millimeter.
Okay. The 16 by 20 is 0.8.
Yeah. And then least count is equal to MSD minus VSD, which is equal to 1 minus 0.8.
Just a minute. MSD minus VSD, which will be equal to
1 minus 0.8,
okay.
Which is equal to 0.2 millimeter.
Chalo, great. Thank you.
Thank you.
So, any other answer? Yes, Ishan Navya. That is the answer is also correct. So you can keep the answer in centimeter also. Meter is also fine. Centimeter is also fine. Both the way you can go. Okay. So ready with the next one? Okay, Vansh has some doubt. Yeah, Vansh, quickly. What is your doubt? Vansh? You there? Why not allowing me to unmute you? Okay. Yeah, Vansh.
Sir, can I keep the least count in any units like micrometer, nanometer,
No, no, no.
or it is
Just
specific?
compare. Just compare with the question. If the value of MSD is given in terms of millimeter, final answer you keep in millimeter. That would be better.
Okay, sir. Means, okay, sir, I understood.
Yeah, Bhavin, you want to end the class at 6:15? Board? Okay, so next, I hope everyone is ready with the calculations. And here goes the question. Big quick, I want the first one to answer this. Okay, so Arnav is ready with the answer. I'm just putting on the answers now. So this is one answer I got. Okay, Arpit and Vidit are saying this is the answer. Okay. Sudhanshu, I think so it's too big, a too big value which you got. Sudhanshu, please check it. Dhruv, also you please check the answer. Okay, Dipanshu, Kunal, Arya, Dishita, okay, Krish, Vansh are getting the same. Shashank, bit different, kindly check. Jaini, kindly check the answer. Aditi, check the answer. Am I don't know whether you're right or not. I'm just representing your answer. Vansh, check your answer. Haritri, okay. Shreyas, check your answer. Bhavi next by 9, okay. Prabhuta, see maximum answer I'm getting x by 9. Maximum answer I'm getting x by 9. So I don't know which is correct. Acha, Shruti is also saying x by 9. Kushal, okay. Arham, kindly check. There are 97 people. How come only 15 to 16 are only replying? What about the rest? Not interested, slept, dreaming of. Please, please, please reply. I need some new faces. Ashima, x by, okay, x by 9. Okay, Vatsal, good. Vatsal, check the answer. Shruti, yeah, you're correct. No, won't be minus. It won't be minus. Shreya, you're not getting it? Acha, Aditi x by 9. Okay. Acha, someone requested me to explain it. Okay. Acha, the x by 9. Pranav, kindly check the answer. Yeah, Karthik, I think so. So you only help me out whether it is correct or not. Yeah, Mr. Karthik. Karthik, ऐकू येतं? Karthik, can you hear me? Okay, fine, chalo, not a problem. Okay, Sarvesh, ऐकू येतं? Chalo, then I'm just going to write parallelly along with you. Chalo, start.
One main scale division is x
It's not clear. It's not clear. Your voice is not clear. Microphone जरा जवळ घे.
आता
हो बोल.
one main scale division is x centimeter.
Okay, so means I need to write MSD over here.
Yeah.
Okay, that is x centimeter then.
Yes. N
After
division.
Yeah.
N VSD is equal to n minus 1 MSD.
Okay.
Now we'll replace the MSD value by x and
Okay.
divide it by x. Yes.
Means this should be like n minus 1 divided by n. Sorry, I will just multiply MSD also. That is x. Divided by n. Is it so?
Yes.
Okay, then after that?
Then VSD is equal to nx minus x upon n.
Okay, I need to further simplify this you're saying. So that is
Yeah.
what? X minus?
No, nx minus x upon n.
Are you sure?
Yes.
How it will be nx minus?
N into x minus x divided by n. 1 into x minus 1 into x.
So here it will be only x, na?
Achha, okay.
Yeah, because that n and denominator n will get cancelled after bracket. So this will be now MSD minus VSD, okay?
Yeah.
So मग पुढे काय ना?
No, x minus x minus x upon n.
Right?
Achha. Yes, yes.
Yeah, after opening the bracket,
Yes.
minus will become plus. X and x will get cancelled. Answer will be x by n. Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, thank you.
Sir, if we don't cancel the x, still it will be x minus 9.
Yeah?
If we don't cancel the n and n in the second last step, still it will be x by 9.
Acha, okay, fine. Okay, so is the answer clear? So even the unit is centimeter. Kushal, you can hear me? Kushal, I'll just clear your doubt. Actually, जो school book में है, they are referring to only one type of vernier scale, the standard one which I showed you, the earlier slide, earlier. So that time the formula is same because there are only 10 divisions on vernier scale. So it is going to remain the same one. But in future, it is not the only vernier scale. So you should be aware that what will happen if I have different type of scales. So in school, you need to write the same formula because I said the first formula for least count I gave the same, but the second was a standard form which you need to apply anywhere you want. Is it clear, Kushal? So don't get confused. School is using only one type of vernier. I am using various types of vernier. Chalo, one last question. We have hardly 12 minutes. So I just hope. Acha Jaini. Oh, I just removed the third line. Wait, I will just connect you. Yeah, Jaini, what was the problem with the third line? You can hear me? Jaini? I'm not able to hear your voice. Jaini, if like the third one, I think so that was the bracket expansion. You can just open the bracket. It will be clear to you. That was simple bracket expansion. A smaller question now. The smallest and the easiest. Yeah, Arav got the answer of first least count. Okay. Yeah, Arav, we are going to go for screw gauge also. I don't think so in this class it will, but in the next class definitely we'll get that thing done. So Arav has got 0.05 centimeter. Any other answer? Yeah, Vidit is getting different answer for least count. So one more least count answer we got. Vidit, okay, fine, same answer. Be quick, 10 minutes more to go. Yeah, Arit 3, same answer. I'm just looking the same names again and again on the chat. What about the others? Yeah, Nirupama. At least saw some different name. Okay, 0.05 centimeter. Good. Aditi, one decimal is missing. Just cross check once. We have one more answer, 0.5. Okay, Shruti Vatsal is also saying 0.5 millimeter. Okay. So Charo got the second answer. Ninad got the first one. Okay. Arav, same. Ditanshu. Okay. Who is this? I don't know. And what you're typing? SNDN, NSMN, ZM, NDD. Yeah, Arav, 0.05 centimeter. Yeah, it's correct. What about the rest? Okay, so Ashima got both. Ashima,
Yes, sir.
you can hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So how you got the first one?
So for the first one, it's 20 VST equals 19
Okay,
MST.
okay. Just a minute. Hold a minute. Can I write along parallel with you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So first step will be
20 VST equals 19 MST.
20 VSD is equal to 19 MSD. Okay, then
Then we would find the least count and it would be 0.05 millimeter.
okay, but how will you get least count after this directly?
So we would send 20 over to the 19 side and 19 divided by
Acha, means
20.
VSD will be like 19 divided by 20. You're saying like this?
Yes, and into excuse me,
Into?
sir.
So 19 by 20 into? Yeah, Ashima. Any other who can explain further? Just help me out.
अपने पैसे लेकर आ खेलने के लिए आप नहीं कर रहा है अभी और क्या कर रहा है
Hello, sir. Hello, sir. Sir. Sir, I cannot hear you, sir.
Is it audible?
Yes, sir. Now it is audible.
Okay, chalo, fine. Tell me how you got the first one.
Sir, so vernier caliper is calibrated in millimeters. So the smallest scale would be 1 millimeter, sir.
No,
In
directly
sorry.
how can you tell me? Directly how
Sir.
it is possible?
Yes, sir.
Directly how will it be possible? Least count as
So the divisions are in 1 millimeter, sir. So, sir, of course, 1 millimeter is the smallest, no, sir.
for main scale.
Yes, sir, for main
Okay,
scale.
fine. Okay, fine. So that is 1 millimeter. Then
Sir, and then VSD is equals to 19/20 MSD.
means you are saying 20 VSD is equal to 90
19
VSD.
MSD and VSD equals to 19/20
Okay, then
MSD. Sir, so this will be, sir, 0.05 millimeters.
Okay, fine. Because MSD is 1 millimeter.
Yes,
Then
sir.
least count will be?
Sir, least count will be 1 millimeter minus 0.05.
Okay, so the 1 minus 0.05, and that will be how much?
Sir, it would be, wait a minute, sir. Sir, it would be 0.05.
Huh?
0.05, sir.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir, centimeter, sir.
The centimeter.
Yes, sir.
So 1 minus 0.05 is 0.05. How come?
Sir, wait a minute, sir.
I think so. It should be 0.95 then in that case. 19/20 you have calculated a bit wrong. Arav.
Yes,
19/20 should be 0.95. 19/20 is 0.95. Then it will be 0.05.
Yes, sir, I had calculation mistake, sorry.
Yeah, not a problem. Bhavin, Aryan, yeah, you are right. Saket also, you are correct. Okay, after this, so we got the least count value. So that is your first calculation. First one. So quickly, who is going to help me out for the second one? Be fast. Second calculation. Hardly 3 minutes left. Second part. Who is going to explain? Nobody wants to? Okay, Arav.
Sir, in this there are 35 divisions. So, and the calibrated is 1 millimeter. So MSD will be 1 millimeter. So, sir, we can directly let 35 divisions. It will be 3.5 centimeter.
So it is MSR, main scale reading.
Yes, sir.
It's MSD into 35 you are saying. So that is 35 millimeters. Right?
35 millimeters. So it will be 3.5 centimeter.
Okay, fine.
Then it is written that it is coinciding with fourth division of main scale reading. Sorry, vernier scale. So it will be 4 into 0.05.
Achha, so vernier scale reading will be your fourth division into the least count, right?
Yes, sir.
So that is how much?
0.05. 4 into 0.05.
Okay, that is how much?
0.2.
0.2 centimeter.
Yes, sir.
How come centimeter? It's something mistake is going on. Least count is not 0.05 centimeter. Yeah, okay. It is not 0.05 centimeter least count. It should be 0.05 millimeter. Okay. So this one will be?
So it will be 0.02 millimeter. 0.2 millimeter.
Okay, fine.
So
Then
it will be 3.52 millimeter.
okay, so means
So
now
centimeter.
the total reading
3.5
but-
centimeter plus 0.2 millimeter. So it will be 3.52 centimeter.
so 3.5 plus 0.02.
Yes,
Right?
sir. Yes, sir.
That will be 3.52.
52 centimeter.
Is the answer correct?
Yes, sir. I think so.
Okay, so everyone got the same answer. 3.52. The second part. Everyone. So all are saying it's correct. My intuition says it is incorrect. Shreyas, it's given main scale is calibrated in millimeter. Shreyas, first line is given. It's incorrect, whatever it's given. The answer is for diameter. We need radius. It should be divided by 2. The final answer is radius. So for radius, you need to divide your 3.52 by 2. Yes, final answer is 1.76 centimeter. Correct. Yeah, Shreyas, it's given that one smallest reading is millimeter. So it is 1 millimeter main scale. Yeah, so the question is clear, calculation is clear. Any doubt, anyone? I've taken your 1 minute extra. So sorry for that. Okay, fine. So chalo, we'll just meet up in the next class. Take care. Bye-bye. Stay safe. Thank you.